Hi, I'm Amanda with Hoffman Weber Construction, here to look at your home's exterior.
Oh, hey, Amanda. I'm really glad you're here. I've heard you're a great listener.
Yes, I love to listen, and sometimes I like to ask questions.
Hey, we're only 12 games under 500. Come on in, we got a lot to talk about.
Wait a second. Why?
All right, and have a seat. Hope you don't mind if I lay down here. I'm physically, mentally, and emotionally exhausted. So 2 years ago, they break the record, the Bomba Squad, record for most home runs in a year, hitting just home run after home run after home run. And then last year, the season gets pretty much canceled because of some guy named COVID. And this year, there was just high expectations, supposed to win the division, could be a World Series contender. And then, as it turns out, we can't close a game to save our life. The bullpen is just awful, blowing all these leads. We can't close out a game, and we're wasting all this offense. What do you think?
That's really unfortunate, Matt. But I do, when I was here looking around your house, I noticed that your windows are a little dated, and we have windows that close and open really well. And you should know that all of our windows are very energy efficient, and they won't waste any of your time, energy, or runs.
We listen to our customers. So go ahead, call us for your next therapy session. Exterior consultation.